On today's menu, a delicious recipe you can make if you're not in a curry. Delicious vegan curry noodle soup. Lay home ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now you know that I absolutely love noodle recipes, so much so that I published a vegan ramen cookbook where you can find more information in the link above or a link in the description box below. Now this super easy and super delicious curry noodle recipe is absolutely incredible. This is how you make it. Remove the seeds from 10 dried red Thai chili peppers. Definitely keep those seeds. Sprinkle them on top of your next pizza. Small saucepan. 1 cup water. Cover and bring to a boil for a few minutes. Blender. 1 shallot. 2 pieces garlic. Small piece galangal. 1 stick lemongrass. Couple peels of lime. Lime juice. Remove 4 kafir lime leaves from its branch and add them to the blender. Small bunch cilantro stems. One tablespoon red miso. 1 teaspoon pink salt. Transfer the rehydrated peppers to the blender. So this part is a little bit non-traditional. We're going to add a little bit of water just to help the blender blend up that amazing paste. But not to worry, we're going to evaporate and cook out a little bit of that water before we actually make the soup. Pulse the blender to get it going, then blend on medium-high. I mean, that just smells absolutely amazing. It's so aromatic to make your own chili paste. Now, if you have your own chili paste on hand or a store-bought one, that is completely fine. You can skip this entire step. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. So these are my signature cashew ramen eggs. We're gonna scoop a little bit of that cashew egg white and fill it with a runny yolk-like turmeric and cashew filling. I've filmed the previous episode showing you step by step how to make these amazing ramen eggs. I'll leave that link in the description box below. Udon noodles. Hook the noodles to package instructions and stir them occasionally. Heat up another pot on medium. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 2 tablespoons chili paste. 1 tablespoon curry powder. Stir. 2 cups veggie stock. ½ cup coconut milk. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cane sugar. Turn up the heat and stir. A handful shimeji mushrooms. Small bunch canned bamboo. 2 baby corn. 2 fried tofu puffs. When it comes to a boil, simmer on medium for 5 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Bowl. Noodles. Pour in that amazing curry soup. Cashew egg. Sprinkle with fresh chopped cilantro. Squeeze of fresh lime juice. You can now make this tasty curry noodle soup with absolute confidence. That really is a crazy, comforting bowl of soup. That is so packed with flavor. It's just so aromatic because there's just so many fresh ingredients that go into that amazing chili paste. That is really delicious. And these amazing tofu puffs. A little bit nostalgic actually. I used to love eating these when I was a kid, and that amazing ramen egg really tastes like egg, and the flavor is just so intense, and that nice coconut milk just really kind of thickens it and lifts up the body of that stock. Really delicious. If you'd like to find out more information about my vegan ramen cookbook, you can click the link in the description box below. In the meantime, definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.